Hi, Jim Carson here from Blackstock Ford Lincoln, Orangeville, Ontario. You know we're well known for customizing and styling all of the great Ford lineup, but check out this Mach-E. Here's something new. You know, the Mach-E is a tremendous hot rod performance car. So Air Design, together with Ford Licensed Accessories, has a complete body kit available. Available in both gloss black, satin black, and the rear spoiler is even available in true carbon fiber. So you have the front air dam, you have in gloss black, and you have the side pod moldings, as well as the rear diffuser and the rear tailgate. Now all of those here on this Cyber Orange Mach-E with the Night Pony package looks awesome. So always check us out at blackstockford.com, our off-site mod shop at baddogmods.com, or you can visit us here on Highway 9 in Orangeville, Ontario. Thank you for watching.